Ant AirPods H530. The headphones Ant AirPods H530 features 40mm directional speaker, excellent ambient noise isolation and acoustic positioning precision for all types gaming. Gamers usually play games for many hours, so the comfort is also a key factor when choosing a PC, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo headset. These headphones are tested for many years on hundreds of different heads. The retractable band and breathable ear pad make sure every player could enjoy the optimal wearing comfort. Ant AirPods H530 gaming headset comes with 100% memory foam ear pads. The Memory Protein soft ear cushions meet the needs for different ear sizes, pain-free and breathable. Comfortable, make long gaming sessions with maximum comfort and excellent noise isolation. The headphone, though marketed as PC compatible, ships with a single 3.5mm output. Cosmic Byte H1. Cosmic Byte H1 gaming headphone with mic has driver size 40mm, impedance 32 ohms, cable length 2.1 meters, mic switch, volume controller, single 3.5mm jack for audio and mic. Leaf Bass. Leaf Bass wireless Bluetooth headphones boasts of powerful 40mm drivers for HD sound, and our deep bass technology lets you enjoy your favorite songs with better clarity. A speaker resistance of 32 ohm and sensitivity range of 109 plus or minus 2 dB minimizes any distortion of sound quality. You can also take calls and talk with the help of the hi-fi microphone attached, which is also why you are guaranteed an unbelievable audio. Leaf Bass Bluetooth headphone comes with 10 hours of battery life for unstopped wireless music experience. Ultra soft cushion ear cups and headband cushion for superior comfort during prolonged wear. It is also sweatproof and gym-friendly. Leaf Bass can be connected via Bluetooth or an aux cable. Along with the latest Bluetooth technology, it also has the evergreen aux port, which works even when there is no charge left in the headphones. My conclusion: definitely a good one, worth buying. Redgear Cloak. Redgear Cloak comes equipped with 50mm driver with enhanced audio bass and clarity, which dramatically improves your in-game sound experience. It comes equipped with the omnidirectional microphone, which can be used as per your gaming situations. You can just put it up if it is not in use. Its luxurious noise isolating memory foam ear pads and adjustable split headband reduces pressure and provides optimal comfort for long gaming sessions. This headset has an amazing RGB LED light effect on ear ups and tip of the microphone. It also comes equipped with volume control, so just scroll up or down to adjust it. Cosmic Byte GS410 is a multi-purpose gaming headset perfect for playing games and listening to music. Soft, cushioned head pad and ear pad that is adjustable for long hours of gaming, clear sound and deep bass for real game. Inbuilt remote control for sound and mic, flexible microphone for clear communication. Adjustable length hinges guarantee hours of gaming comfort, delivers clear sound and deep bass for real game. Little smart inline remote control for sound and mic, flexible microphone for exact positioning and mic with great sensitivity at picking up sounds. Your partner can hear your words clearly. The product is cheaper than other gaming headphones. It is lightweight and doesn't feel heavy on the head, plus it is also having a head comforter for more grip on head and comfort. It has a really amazing sound quality for every type of system and comes with an extra sound changer on the cable wire, which is very handy to use. The wire of length is very big and is most of the times needs to be coiled. The material is not at all cheap. Some reviewers have marked it cheap but is pretty great. The product is actually underrated and must get more actual reviews. It deserves it. It's with your own hard-earned money that you'd purchase this. Yes, there are better options available, but this is good and you get your value for money spent on the product. Demerit. Sound is very loud. I mean, you can hear the sound from even 10 meters away. Cosmic Byte GS431. Cosmic Byte GS430 has an immersive 3D gaming sound, with high-precision magnetic neodymium driver. Cosmic Byte headsets offer a 360-degree soundscape. Add a sense of realism to your gaming session. Flexible noise cancellation boom mic. GS430 accurately pick up your voice and differentiate between it and background noise. With 120 degrees flexible design. Easy to adjust mic position at your will. Primary kind of gaming headset, perfect for playing games, listening music, etc. Soft cushion head pad and ear pad, as well as adjustable length hinges, guarantee hours of gaming comfort. It is a primary kind of gaming headset, perfect for playing games, listening to music, etc. Soft cushion head pad and ear pad, as well as adjustable length hinges, guarantee hours of gaming comfort. Delivers clear sound and deep bass for real game. Little smart inline remote control for sound and mic.